Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and the DNS IPs you'll use. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Network Connections or the System Settings and locate your active adapter. You want to access the adapter properties quickly, so right-click it and choose Properties, then click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP4 and hit Properties. This opens the dialog where you will enter DNS addresses. Make sure to keep both primary and secondary DNS values ready to paste in. Now you will switch the setting from automatic to manual. Select Use the following DNS server addresses so you can type values in. Enter the primary DNS address first and then the secondary one. This order matters because the system query is primary before fallback. If your network uses IP6, repeat the same steps in the IP6 properties to avoid mixed protocol failures. After entering both addresses, click OK, then Close, and allow the adapter to renew its IP if prompted so changes take effect. Finish by verifying the change. Open a command prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons, then test name resolution with ping or enslookup against a domain. You should see the new DNS servers queried. If resolution fails, switch back to automatic temporarily to isolate the issue, or try another public DNS pair to rule out unreachable servers. Also make sure a firewall, VPN, or ISP block isn't intercepting DNS. Adjust those or contact your network admin if the problem persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.